Hey boys and girls, and welcome back to a new dog training tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to teach your dog to wait at the door and only walk through on command, step by step, in a simple and easy way. For the first step, let your dog sit in front of the door and move the door handle up and down several times. Reward your dog if it stays in the sitting position. If your dog gets excited, stands up or moves closer to the door, simply guide it back into a sitting position and try again. While training this step, it is also important to repeatedly give the command stay and of course reward your dog regularly for good behavior. For step 2, we obviously take it a step further. Again, have your dog sit and stay in front of the door. This time, while your dog is staying, slowly open the door just a little. Reward your dog if it remains in the sitting position. The next step looks very similar to the previous one. Let your dog sit and wait at the door and this time open the door just a little more. Again, reward your dog for remaining in a sitting and waiting position. As you can see here, I open the door quite a lot, but that's because our dog already knows this command. If you're just starting to train this, take it in small steps. In other words, open the door a little more each time until you can open it fully. And now for step 4. You already saw it in the previous step because I got too enthusiastic with training while recording and went a bit too quickly through the steps. My bad. Place one foot outside the doorstep. This can be a bit difficult as it may trigger your dog to go outside since your body movement is directed outward. For step 5, you open the door and instead of placing one foot outside, you place both feet outside the doorstep. As mentioned, this step can be difficult as your whole body may trigger your dog to go outside. Keep rewarding your dog for staying in the same sitting position while you move your body outside. These were all the steps. Remember to train this in small steps. In this video I didn't do that because our dog already knows the exercise. It was purely to show you how to do it. So again, make sure to train in small steps to avoid your dog moving outside without your cue. And to prevent rewarding your dog at the wrong moments, which is also very important. If you have any questions or suggestions for a video, let me know in the comments. Thank you and see you in the next one.